Use a sum or difference identity to write the expression as a trigonometric function of one angle, then find the exact value. We have the sine of 5 pi divided by 6 times cosine of 5 pi divided by 3 minus cosine of 5 pi divided by 6 times sine of 5 pi divided by 3. Looking at the identities below, because we have sine times cosine minus cosine times sine, we'll be using the sum or difference identity for the sine function shown here, where notice alpha equals 5 pi divided by 6 and beta equals 5 pi divided by 3. Because we have subtraction in our expression, notice we're using the lower operation here on the right, which means we also use the lower operation on the left, which indicates we'll have the sine of alpha minus beta. This indicates the given expression equals the sine of 5 pi divided by 6 minus 5 pi divided by 3. Let's go ahead and find the difference of the angles. The least common denominator is 6, which indicates we multiply 5 pi divided by 3 by 2 divided by 2. We now have 5 pi divided by 6 minus 10 pi divided by 6, which is negative 5 pi divided by 6. This indicates the sine of 5 pi divided by 6 minus 5 pi divided by 3 equals the sine of negative 5 pi divided by 6. Let's go ahead and sketch this angle in standard position and then sketch the reference triangle. The initial side is along the positive x-axis, and then because the angle is negative, we will now rotate clockwise 5 pi divided by 6 radians, which is pi divided by 6 radians short of half of a rotation clockwise, and therefore the terminal side of the angle would be approximately here. Let's go ahead and sketch the reference triangle. Notice the reference angle is pi divided by 6 radians, and therefore we can label the opposite side negative 1, the hypotenuse 2, and the longer leg negative square root 3. Notice because we're in the third quadrant, both x and y are negative. Using the reference triangle, the sine of negative 5 pi divided by 6 radians equals the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse, which is negative 1/2. I hope you found this helpful.